I'm the childcare liaison officer, and my role is to go to meet parents and children in the family home. I try to find out as much as I can about the child, about their personalities and their development, in order to ease the transition for children into childcare settings.
I nominated Rachel because I believe she's made a huge impact in the 10 months she's been in post. Rachel is very passionate about her job and is always very motivated. Rachel's job involves placing children in childcare, but she doesn't just do this, she goes well over and above every time, making a real difference to the families and children she supports.
Working in a caring role is really important for me because I can work one-to-one with families and close with families and children. Sometimes families may be overwhelmed, there may be developmental concerns, there may be behavioural concerns, and working in the caring role, you have the opportunity to really make a difference in someone's life.
Rachel digs deeper with the family, she really gets to know the family. She takes the smallest detail and explores that further, asking very difficult questions and being able to then adapt a piece of work and support package for that family.
I'm a people person. I like working in the community with people, with families. I think it's in my nature that I like to work in a sort of nurturing, helpful role.